Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be reviewing the Jabra Elite Active 65Ts. Now in my opinion, these are one of the best headphones on the market and the best AirPods alternative in the Android space. Now it it's cost on the high end, which is around 11,000 to 10,000 rupees, but the price will be going down because of the release of the Jabra Elite Active 75T. So I would request you all to wait till the price goes down, which will, in my opinion, go down to about 8,000 rupees in India, which is quite a lot less, half the price if you go for the AirPods with the wireless charging case. Now in this I'll be talking about the design, the sound quality, the build quality and the overall convenience of these buds. Starting off with the design. Now the case of the Jabra Elite Active 65T is pretty small. I mean, it's alright if you compare it to AirPods. It's a bit larger and broader, but compared to other headphones on the market, truly wireless earbuds, they are small and they are quite pocketable and you can take them anywhere you want. Now the buds themselves have 6 hours of battery life, but with the case you get around 18 to 20 hours of battery life depending on your usage. Now there are a couple of features which I find very interesting about these AirPods, such as, first, let's start by the design of the case. It does not have a magnet in it, which is not what I expect when I look at something which is 11,000 rupees, is not having a magnet in the case. Neither the case nor the headphones are secured by magnets, so if I am to drop it, they would come right into my hands. That is a little insecure, and I found that it opens in my bag and they leak out sometimes, but it's not that big of a deal. The satisfying click is not there, as you can see, but you have to make some compromise which we'll talk about later. But right now, overall design is good. Now let's talk about the build quality of this headphones. Now the build quality is amazing. I mean, next level. This is one of the best finishes on the headphones that I've seen. It's a dark blue, matches my jeans, and it is matte finish. So it resists fingerprints quite a bit, but scratches, not so much. You drop them and they will get scratched for sure. Now before this I had the red Jabra Elite Active 65T, but there was an issue with the right earbud with a distorted sound, so I got it replaced. And let me tell you, this is one of the best experience I've had with any support. Jabra support in India is awesome. I mean, it took only 3 days for me to get the new pair, and because it was in warranty and it has a 1-year warranty. I need you to keep that in mind. After 1 year, support will not be responsible for any problems that you face. Next up, we will be talking about the sound quality. Now, as soon as I put these in my ear, they get connected to Bluetooth, and the sound quality is through the roof. I mean, you can control literally anything that you want with this earphone. The bass, the treble, the smooth, the mids, the highs, everything is controllable within the Jabra Sound Plus app. Now, there is a big difference there are 2 models of the Jabra headphones. First is which is 2,000 rupees cheaper, which is the Jabra Elite 65T. This here is a more expensive model, which is the Jabra Elite Active 65T. Now what does that mean? It means that this has an inbuilt step tracker or a distance calculator in it, which can measure the distance you are running, walking, cycling, etc. Now this may come in handy for all the active people, which this is aimed for, as the word active, that you wouldn't have to worry about carrying an extra watch, an extra tracker with you when you're running. This also mimics the heartbeat of your heart in your ear, which is very interesting to me while working out. But that is one of the best features, in my opinion, about this AirPods. Second of all, the sound. Now let's get deep into sound quality. Now in higher volumes and by playing very basic songs, the bass is not overpowering. It's just enough. I mean, there's a thick bump when you hear it, but it does not sound like real bass, the one which you would experience in a headphone. Now compare it to the other buds in this price range, which are the Galaxy Buds, AirPods, and that's it. They are the only competitors in this range that can really match the sound quality of this phone. Now AirPods, as you all know, they have horrendous, according to the price, horrendous sound quality, and let me be clear, they fall out of your ears, not good for workout, and all of that stuff. But why do they stick? Because Apple has made it so convenient to pair to any iPhone with an AirPod. You just open it and it gets connected. Now the initial process of setting up the Jabra buds is a little difficult, but not that difficult, but it is just you have to first open the earbuds and put them on your ear. They will automatically turn on. Then you go to the Bluetooth menu and just find them and connect. The next time you open it and put it back in your head, it will already be connected. But for every time you want to connect to a second device, you have to power it off, power it on, and continue holding the power button for 3 seconds, which will then forget your older device which you had been using and pair with the newer device you want to pair it to. So for example, I am using it in my phone currently, which is the iPhone 11 Pro, and this whole video is being shot on the iPhone 11 Pro for those of you who want to know. This, when connected to the iPhone 11 Pro, works normally, you take it out, but as soon as I repair it to, such as my other phone, which is the iPhone 7 here, it's my brother's phone, and quite a lot of phones, as you can see here above, there are quite a lot of phones here. I pair it with any one of them and it does not pair again to my iPhone. I have to go to the Bluetooth menu and connect it again, which is quite a bit of a hassle. For example, you're someone who's switching current continuously between different devices, such as a laptop, a phone, a tablet. You live in full flash. You have everything you need. You have to every time pair it by going to the Bluetooth menu. Now, other than that, there is no major problem with these buds. Now, there are several other features with these buds. But there are several other features with these buds, which are ambient noise. What that means is when you're running, walking, and doing any other stuff, you can let the outside voice enter in with your earbuds. Now this is either you can do it manually by double tapping on the right button, or you can do it from the headphones menu. Now these are the buds itself. Now they are pretty small and they fit in your ears quite well, and this is a very sealed experience. Now, as you would want to know, that this feels like there is an isolation around. The voice already becomes sealed. Now this is known as passive noise cancellation. Do not confuse it with active noise cancellation. There's a big difference, but it still gets the job done. You cannot hear anything else except your own voice if you have side tone, which is another incredible feature with it. Then I would like to show you the example of the microphone quality, which right now you're hearing with this. This is the actual microphone quality which you will hear as I'm talking into these earbuds, and just tell me how it sounds in the comments down below. Now added to that, there are a couple of more features such as white noise, ocean waves, and other sounds which you can play in through the Jabra Sound Plus app, which are called as soundscapes. Now as soon as you take the earbuds off, it opens up the sound. I mean, it is quite a big difference when you look at the passive noise cancellation of these earphones. And now let's talk about the things that are not nice about these earbuds, which is one, it does not charge through Type-C, it is micro USB. Now most people in India, talking about majority of the population, do not have phones that charge with Type-C. So it is not that big of a difference. But if you're someone who buys premium phones, for example companies like OnePlus, Apple, and other phones, you have the iPad or you have the MacBook, everything else charges with the with the Type-C cable. Other than that, it does not have wireless charging, which other the competitors do, but it's still not that big of a difference considering that it will be 2,000 to 3,000 rupees cheaper than the other earphones. Now talking about the waterproofing in this, it is IPX5 if I'm not wrong. It is IPX5 water resistant, and the active model which I have here is IP67 water resistance. So you can just submerge it in 1 meter of water for 30 minutes, and which is not recommended by Jabra. Let me tell you, do not try this and expect support to help you. This can just take splashes of water, sweat, dust, and while you're running in the rain. Well, if you're interested in having a shower with this, there is no problem in doing that as well. It is completely fine for all the purposes. Now, let's end this video by the conclusion of these earbuds. They are the one of the best earbuds, as I told you in the beginning of the video, and they are alright in terms of convenience. That's one of the big problems. Charging is alright. With 10 minutes of charge, you get 1 hour of playback. And in conclusion, I find these better than the Samsung as well as the AirPods because they are simply better in sound quality and noise isolation from the outside market. However, when you compare it to the AirPods Pro, which I will be soon comparing it to, it will be demolished because it has active noise cancellation. Now let me know in the comments below which review or which item would you like to see next. I will hold a poll on YouTube and please tell me in the comments below. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.